Care Animal Hospital provides diagnostic tests to determine your pet's state of health prior to an anesthetic event. An anesthetic event is when an animal is put into a sleep state to guarantee a safe, successful, and pain-free diagnostic test or surgery. The latest anesthetic drugs are carefully selected for your pet's anesthetic needs. During anesthesia, intravenous catheter and fluid administration provides proper blood pressure at all times. Often, pets must be intubated and maintained on inhaled anesthetic gas for extra care.